In this video tutorial, I show you how you can turn Excel into a friendly user interface for quickly generating a data simulation deck for a simple box model. So the main driver here is for you to be able to easily set up a model to quickly test various sensitivities without having to spend time getting your hands on more fancy pre-processing software. Just come here, go through the workbook and enter all your inputs in the yellow cells. You also have the supporting tabs which allow for better visualization of specific sections of the deck, like rail perms, gas PVT, drawdown control, etc. Once you're ready with all your inputs, you simply come here and hit this create.data file button. This will trigger the underlying macros and the .data file as well as the related include files will be automatically generated for you. With this simple user interface and with this workflow, you can actually spend only minutes and not hours or even days to quickly set up a model and test the impact of various key parameters of your fields. All right, so there you go, and I'll see you on the inside of the tutorial.